Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me packing for my first year of uni in London. It's my second year of university in total, but my first time in London studying, so that is my story. So in today's video, I am going to be packing and just taking you guys along with me what I'm taking. I am using my college packing list that I used for the US when I went to study there last year. But that is for a dorm and the situation is a little different. I'm gonna have a flat share with 6 others, so we're sharing a kitchen, and I'm having my own room and my own bathroom, so that's gonna be a little different than being in a dorm with a shared communal bathroom. But anyway, let's get started. So this is my beautiful closet. Not. I do have a lot more stuff in the US still that my friend is shoving to me right now. So this is not like everything I have, but it's basically stuff that I don't really wear that much. But this is what I'm not gonna take basically, and I chose these things to take with me based on space. I'm gonna organize it based on like what's most important and what I can't really get that easily there, and then the rest is just gonna come based on like availability, I guess. So that's what I did yesterday. I kind of organized my closet a little bit, what I want to take with me now and what I want to leave for now. What I've done so far is I put everything onto my bed so I can see what I'm taking, and I'm going to show you guys kind of what I'm taking a little bit, not going too much into detail, but a little bit to show you what I'm taking. And yeah, that's what I've done so far, and then we're gonna go ahead and put them into the vacuum bags, what fits into it, and then leave some for potentially sheets. I don't know if I can take them or not, but yeah, let me show you guys what I'm taking. So I got some vacuum bags. I've never had these before. I hope they work well. But it is London and it's gonna be fall and winter and rainy and cold, so I need some thicker things, and I'm hoping that these are gonna help me fit them into my big suitcase and hopefully my carry-on. So yeah, let's get started. So this isn't everything, but let's start here. I'm taking my London book because I'm going to London, and here's a notebook that I might not take. I have 4 glasses. Hopefully they're gonna fit. A whisk, a wooden spoon, just because we have tons of them out here, and I want to save some money. Cutlery, 4 of each, and then I have some bathroom stuff that I just bought, like a solid shampoo bar, like a soap bar, a conditioner bar, some bamboo stuff, some vitamins and medicine kind of things. Just some stuff for sports and sleep. Then I have 2 jackets. I'm not sure if I'm going to take this one because of space, but they're like coats. They're thinner and they're perfect for London. And then I have leggings, jeans, shorts, trousers, you know, and then I have some shirts, some tops for like going out and stuff, thick socks, a onesie. I hope it fits. If it doesn't, it's okay. Some skirts, dresses, and then some long sleeves because London, and yeah, just I don't know, 5 I guess. I don't have more. And then I'm taking some fairy lights. They're from here, just so I can save some money. I'm taking a whole bunch of Polaroid pictures. Of course, my main camera to take pictures, and a thick hoodie. Not sure if this is gonna fit, but if nothing else, I'll take this hoodie. And yeah. And then I have some sweaters, I guess, for like wearing them. And my big coat. Hopefully that fits as well. And then I have a scarf over there and a hot water bottle. A little update. I just filled up my first bag. I'm hoping it's gonna work. I'm just gonna get my vacuum and try to suck the air out of this thing, and
this is where we're at. It's quite full, but there's still some space, even though this is really thin. I don't know what suitcase my boyfriend has, but I'm not gonna be able to take the game and my second coat, but I'll fit some stuff into my carry-on as well. But I still have a lot of things like some bathroom things. My laptop is there, and underwear and stuff like that I still haven't packed, and there's still some stuff in the wash. But I'm pretty confident that this is gonna fit into my carry-on, just not those two things.
Good morning. I am all packed and ready to go to the airport. This is what I have. This is my small suitcase, my carry-on, and then this is my checked bag. And then I have my little backpack as a personal item. But yeah. Hi guys. So I have arrived at my boyfriend's flat now, and I'm gonna be staying here until Saturday when we take the train to London and move me in my flat, and I'm very excited. But that is going to be part of my next video, which is going to be moving to London, I guess. I hope you enjoyed this packing video, and if you guys have any questions, comment below and I'm going to be there and answer it for you guys, or do a Q&A video, whatever I think will be more efficient. So yeah, you guys have a good day and see you guys in the next video. Bye.